Hello everyone, how you doing? And in this quick tutorial, we will fix USB connected disconnecting problem in Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 3. So before the starting video, don't forget to subscribe and also press the bell icon for my latest videos. So if you are facing USB connection problem or your USB is connecting and disconnecting again and again problem in Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 3, simply first of all just open settings and follow every single step as I'm showing you in this video. Hope so this will fix your problem.